Hello everyone, hello guys, welcome to another live session here on our YouTube channel. How are you doing today? Where are you watching us from? Let's start. Welcome. Hello. Thanks for your support, being here. So we are watching now the gold. Guys, let's make sure that the sound is fine. Sound check, video check, everything is fine. Just let me know, please. And once you confirm, we are good to go. Marcos, how are you doing, brother? You good? Sound is good. Nice. Thank you, guys. Thank you. So, gold. I will pick up from the last time, actually. So yesterday, the market made that bearish candlestick. That was insanely long candlestick, and from that moment the price is trying to find its way, to figure out the way, if it's going to go up or down. Usually what happens here is we get some tests over this area. Now the market right here, it's in enormous imbalance. There is no agreement between value and price from buyers or sellers, and this is why we see these sell-offs, the crazy sell-offs. So if we apply volume analysis, we're going to see that there is a low volume node here, and the market will likely to use this either as a way to go through or as a resistance. And for this reason, we want to stay objective here and open to take trades accordingly. So let's let the market figure out its way. I would like to draw Fibonacci from this swing high to that swing low down here. We are around 61.8%, but I'm going to overlap it with this high and that low, the same low. So 61.8% is here. I will mark this area. I will mark this one as well. I will delete the Fibonacci. So I know that I'm going to focus more on that one. And we will see how the price will react upon the test. Next one is the Nasdaq. Very bearish on Nasdaq, yeah. As we all see on the hourly time frame, the price drops. But look at these guys. The market left this balanced area this imbalanced area. A total disagreement between the value and where the price was. The balance zone is here, and the market finds a value area right there. Since yesterday, during the end of the New York session, during the Asian session today, during the London session today, all market participants, all the big traders, institutionals were Okay, I will say it differently. I'm not going to talk about the individuals, but I'm going to say that the price found that here the price and the value is in alignment right there, approximately. Okay. What do we expect to happen? Couple of things actually. I'm just watching I'm watching on the other screen the chart. Let me figure out something here. Yeah, where the price is currently, it's a big area. It's a strong area, this one here. So now, here is what we're gonna do. Here is the plan for today, guys. And imagine that was the hourly session. That was the hourly time frame. On the 5 minute, here is what we see on the 5 minute. The market rallied to that resistance from that support, back in the middle now, in the value area of this bearish engulfing. Based on what happened here, there is a high chance to see a move to the upside, okay, based on what happened here, because the market now filled up this imbalance area. But it was an attempt. We weren't live, but I can see it from the tail. It was an attempt to move to the upside, and the buyers got rejected. So who is controlling right now? It's difficult to say. I want to see on this one a clear direction. I don't want to trade right now in the middle of this range. I want to see the break below this support or above this resistance. Then I'm good to go. It's in the support area from yesterday, yes. That's true. So this is the analysis on the Nasdaq. Euro versus the US dollar. The CPI report was lower than expected, and that's weakness for the US dollar. At the report, the price rallied for about 27 pips, and then is back in the middle. Based on the CPI report itself, the price has to move upwards based on that. Gold. Anyone in any trade? Oh, here it comes. That's a good one. Now let's see a break. We want the break below here, and then we will be looking for some good moves, some nice moves. Do you think we're gonna break below here? I believe that. To be honest, I believe that we're gonna break below here. Market is in an overall downtrend. Okay, here it comes. So from this point, I'll be getting ready to examine the health of this downtrend and look to go short. I thought, by the way, guys, I thought my microphone was muted for some time. I didn't notice that. The down impulsive, it may give us hammer. Yes, 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 yes. It might. So maybe that's all what the market has to do, has to move there, and this is the false breakout based on the Wyckoff methodology that the market can transit. If we don't see a follow through to the downside, then the price most likely will rally to cover these imbalances here. The market wants to be in a balanced situation all the time, so it doesn't like the imbalance. Okay, so Also, the price is above the volume weighted average, the VWAP, on the futures. Right here is the middle of where price accepted that there is a high value and agreement between price and value, and it's what we call the volume point of control, somewhere here. And if we see a close above the highs, it will be a big bullish move. So the market right here rejected the lower prices. Now market participants perceive this as the new direction. So guys, this is how it's gonna go today. If the buyers who initiated the move here will remain aggressive and will not bailed out by the sellers right here at resistance, we're gonna see a strong follow through. We have to see a strong push to the upside and an aggressive one. So we have to see that. Otherwise, the market will come back to cancel all this buying pressure started from this point. Now we need to see the push. If we don't see the push, it means the market will position differently. To be honest, I was expecting a continuation to the downside. I wasn't expecting the reversal down here. But this reversal now will align to come and fill up these imbalances up here. Let's see. Maybe the sellers will reject this resistance and push the price lower. If we get a hammer, should we buy? We got a hammer. For me, yes, it's more a buying signal here with this hammer. Yeah. The point now is to see a close above this high. If we see a close above this high, the price will explode. But if we don't see a close above this high, this all move has to be questioned. The market just moved above the highs. We want to see a follow through. We want to see a continuation. Of course, the volume is heavily increased at the breakout. Where is the daily high, guys? The high of the day. Whoa, the high of the day is here. Okay. So here is the high. That's the daily high. Interesting. And price fold back. So the price tried to move to the upside, but it failed to close above this high. I tried to sell at the inverted hammer, but I was too late. Yeah, it went really fast. It went really fast. You mean to sell here? To sell here? On this 5-minute chart or in any other time frame? Okay. Yep. So remember guys, when I said earlier that this area here is where price finds a balanced situation and where the market perceives this as valuable, this level as valuable. So the price is back here. We don't know what's going to happen now. I just want to check if this moved, if this area here is a low volume node. I'm going to check it with a volume profile on. This. Okay. So far, to be honest, I'm still leaning towards the buying side, despite the balance here, because if the sellers really were strong just 5 minutes, 10 minutes after the open, honestly, they will have pushed the price lower, guys. Of course, maybe I'm wrong, and it's not to show off anything here that I'm right and I know what's going to happen. No, I just like to find high quality setups here. I think the market wants to rebalance a little bit, so it might gonna drive the price towards the high of the day. Exactly here, right here. It's where buyers and sellers agree on price and value. It's where the market feels comfortable, where the price is resting. On the extreme, on the breakout, on the extreme, will be a different story. Yeah, that's what I thought. It wasn't on the 5-minute chart. Yeah. What's with the gold? Oh, gold also had a good hammer here. See that? Nice hammer on the gold. The 5-minute chart on the gold is still in an uptrend. Cryptocurrencies also found a way to move upwards. That's the Bitcoin, that's the Solana, and the rest I can see that they are fairly bullish. Nasdaq, guys, what do you think here on Nasdaq? Will the market remain in this comfortable area, or do you think we're going to see a break? Oh, price is coming down. Okay, decide. Bullish breakout or bearish breakout? Come on, we need to get our hands into some good trades today. Guys, what do you think? I'm waiting for the break to the upside. I'm leaning towards the break to the upside too. Marcos, the euro US dollar is breaking structure and turning bearish, so perhaps gold will be bullish. But if the euro is going down, why not to see the same behavior on the gold? If the euro is going down, I think gold will also drop. Yep. This might gonna lead the gold now. We might gonna see some push to the downside also on the gold. Yep. Yeah. Ah, it's okay, mate. Gold, Nasdaq. Whoa. Come on. Let's go. Let's see some action now. We need to see the US dollar go up so gold can go down. Exactly. Yep. Let's see where the price will value the area now. Nasdaq drifts sideways. Insane. It's like we will not get a trending day on Nasdaq today, guys. What is the minute chart doing? He's trying to hold. Yeah, he's trying to hold, but so from this time frame perspective, if we break above this high, yeah, it's gonna have a lot of potential to give the rally to the upside. Volume wise, the price remains around the volume point of control, just for your reference. If we see the US dollar going down, gold and the euro will push to the upside. Nasdaq again. Look, Nasdaq is trying to push. There is a strong resistance here. There is a supply zone. Doesn't let the price to break through. But you know, for a trending day, either we're gonna go up or down. Euro bounced. Yep. Euro is currently sitting at a key support zone. Yeah, this one here. Yesterday's low is holding on Nasdaq or on Euro? You're talking about Euro, yeah? Gold. I think the clearest out of the three is gold. I think so. I like this bearish engulfing on the 15-minute time frame on gold. Bearish engulfing followed by this inside candlestick. Oh, we might gonna be on business soon. This one here, maybe it can give us some good entries. This hammer is failing to put the price, to push the price higher. Back on Nasdaq. Oh my God, Nasdaq! Look at this. It's a mess. Nasdaq is a mess. but it's still around the point of control, the volume point of control, and the VWAP. That's where the price finds its balance. It's trying to break to the downside. Is it gonna make it? What a day today, guys, huh? What a day. By the way, I see here you have the discount code of the PropXP prop firm. I don't know whether you sign up or you received emails, but there is a 30% discount now and buy one get one free. So guys, just try to check it out, and if you find it appropriate for you, you can just buy your challenges. Let me check right now. Yep. Just make sure at the checkout you write the code Theo so you can get the discount. As I always say, I mean, nobody obligates anyone to get discount challenges, but if you want some discount, you can get it. Some people might laugh now. Yeah. The price is sideways. I like this gold. I really like the gold setup here. Really like it. What the market right here, guys, huh? What the price action. Sticky price action. Sideways and sticky. Yes, Marcus, I like gold for a sale based on structure. Just based on structure. I need to wait for a bit higher prices. Now, at any point here, at any point, the price can sell off at any point. But as home-based traders and with the access of information we can have right now, we see this order block here that it was an area of balance. From my experience in volume analysis, I know that here it's a low volume area and the price doesn't like it. It doesn't, the price doesn't see this, it doesn't agree with price and value, at the same time. So this area might gonna hold as resistance. So the price doesn't want to stay right here. So it's either gonna break it to the upside or it's gonna use it as resistance. And if we put together gold and Nasdaq, gold is going to try to fill up this imbalance here. And if sellers appear strong, they're going to push the price. But there is some room for bullish move. On the Nasdaq, on the other hand, this one here, the previous day's high is a key level of resistance. So if they're going to push together to the upside, then there are two things to happen. Either the gold is going to break above instead of getting rejected, or Nasdaq, if Nasdaq it's gonna break and they're gonna move correlated. I'm in a buy on Euro US dollar 5-minute chart. Let's go, let's go. Nice. Trend development. Trend. I just want to see the Nasdaq and yes, of course, now Marcus is on the Euro US dollar bullish. I also want to see the Euro rally. Yeah. Want to see the break to the upside. Honestly, I really want to see the break to the upside. Guys, I think we're going to see the break to the upside here on Nasdaq. So now it's matter of sellers. Here are a lot of limit orders, sell limit orders. I just want to see the aggressive buyers, the buy market orders, to overtake everything here and push the price to the upside. Even if this is gonna last for a couple of candlesticks or anything, or even if it's gonna end up as a false breakout, guys, doesn't matter. We can scalp a little bit, take something. This is not a heavily or good trending day. The market has a lot of the market has a lot of balance area here. It finds this area as the value area, and it's always going to be attracted to this area until new information gets in the market. And the new information will come from the aggressive buyers or aggressive sellers, which they're going to give the direction. Let's go, Euro. Let's go. Let's go, Euro. Come on. Come on. It's time for party. Yeah. A minute left and 20 seconds. I think this is the most critical candlestick now. And the volume is picking up heavily here on the current candle compared to this 2-1. This is the whole area of balance here. Okay, the volume profile, it's something like this here. So what's news? What's news now? And for Friday we are still holding, huh? For Friday. Marcus, are you still in the trade? So Nasdaq, nah, not that much. I like this gold setup. I like this gold setup. I really like this for a reason. And on this one here, there is a chance, if the price moves downward, to fill up this balance here, this imbalance here, not balance. The balance is here. So the price might gonna come down to fill up this imbalance. And if we see a sudden break to the downside, then it's gonna move further down. That's the thing with the gold today. The volatility is very good in the market, guys. We don't have any volatility issues. It's all good with the volatility, the liquidity, everything is in place. Oh. Okay. Marcus, you know, your stop loss in place, everything in place. Yes, we don't want sudden price surprising stuff there. I took a little piece on Nasdaq on 1 minute chart, sold on a bullish engulfing and exit at support. So on a bearish engulfing, did you sell on a bearish engulfing? Maybe this one here. Bullish engulfing, it's the blue candlestick. Bearish is the red candlestick. Yeah, bearish. Perfect. Yep. All good. It's just to make sure we are talking about the same thing. The case for gold is to get away of this balance area. It's a big one. For a minute chart, it's a big one. Guys, I start saying before that I was invited to by a broker to host a webinar, and the subject for today was over trading. And I would like to share something with you, that one of the issues, the problem is not over trading as by itself, like over trading. I mean, all of us at some point we're going to overtrade. I did a lot of overtrading. Perhaps many of you here did a lot of overtrading. Or if you are new to trading, you will do overtrading. It's okay. It's just the consequences after that. And it's okay to do it once, twice. It's fine, as long as you don't do it consistently. It's like, let's say you are trying to keep a good fit body, for example. You are doing your workouts, regular workouts, you are regularly controlling your food intake, yeah. But let's say today you want to eat something different.
It's not that it's prohibited. It's not that it's not allowed it. Everything is allowed it, and you can do we can do anything as long as these distractions, they don't become a part of the daily routine. And as traders, sometimes we're gonna, for A, B, C, D reason, we're gonna overtrade. It's okay, as long as it's not what we do on a daily basis or consistently, then it's fine. Okay. Yes, true, Marcus, true. It's better to be out of a trade rather than try to figure out how you're gonna get out if you delay the exit. Nothing wrong to go at break even, nothing wrong to just squeeze a little bit. It's all good, all good. Sticky prices. There is no clear direction. That means the market is in a comfortable area. When you see the prices just the candlesticks sticking next to each other and there is no trend. Guys, let me share something with you. Actually, I will make it as a post. Now I'm thinking I will make it as a post in our school, in the school channel, in our platform. But I will tell you a little bit now before I make the post. The markets don't like trends. Professional traders like trends, not the market. The market hates trends because there is a disagreement between value and price during trends. So why everybody's saying trend is your friend, trade only with the trends? Why is that? If the market doesn't like the trend, the market doesn't like the trend because when the market is trending, there is a constant disagreement between buyers and sellers of what is considered as cheap and what is considered as expensive. Okay. So if the price moves from 24,700 to 24,600, buyers and sellers are comfortably exchanging their orders within this range, and it's so good. But when the price gets out of control and it starts going up like crazy, at some point the buyers on every tick to the upside are thinking, is the market expensive now? And the sellers are thinking, is it cheap enough to sell? The buyers are thinking, is it expensive to buy? So there is a constant disagreement between these two. So they prefer to exchange orders within a balanced market. And the balanced market is what traders hate, because there is no prediction for us. There is no clear prediction for us, the home-based traders. Guys, I think I will leave it up to here for today. So for the next of the trading hours, just make sure to manage your risk wisely. We see that the markets don't trend the way we want them to trend. See all the sideways move here on gold as well, sideways move here on the euro, sticky prices.
So I wish you to have a great weekend, actually. If you are journaling, make the effort to review your trades. If not, start journaling. Okay, have fun, whatever you're going to do. And we're going to be back on Monday to check the markets, and hopefully we're going to find some trending days. Take care, everyone, and bye for now.